At-home laser hair removal has become a popular choice due to the convenience and cost reduction compared to professional treatments. It should be noted that normally at home is used IPL, pulsed light, technology is used for home applications as the typical laser technology is of professional relevance. However, for optimal results and minimizing risks, it is important to follow a few guidelines. Here are some tips for hair removal at home. Choosing the right device. Quality and safety. Buy a laser hair removal device from reputable brands and read user reviews. Make sure your device has the necessary safety certifications. 2. Compatibility with skin tone and hair color. Some devices are more effective on certain skin types and hair colors. Check that the device is suitable for your skin type and hair color. Preparation. 1. Shaving. Shaving the treatment area 24 hours before the laser hair removal session to remove hair on the surface, leaving the hair follicle intact. 2. Cleaning. Make sure your skin is clean and free of lotions, deodorants, or other products before treatment. During treatment. 1. Appropriate settings. Start with the lowest potency and increase it gradually, if necessary, to avoid irritation or burns. 2. Slow and regular movements. Move the device slowly over the skin evenly, avoiding passing over the same area multiple times. 3. Eye protection. Use protective goggles specifically designed for laser hair removal to avoid eye damage.
After treatment. 1. Hydration. Apply a fragrance-free moisturizer to the treated area to soothe the skin. 2. It's avoiding sun exposure. Direct exposure to the sun and the use of tanning beds for at least 24 hours after treatment are essential. Always use high sunscreen. 3. No irritants. The use of exfoliating products, retinoids, or acids is lifetime frequency of treatments. Follow the manufacturer's instructions regarding the frequency of treatments. Usually, multiple sessions, with intervals of 2 to 4 weeks, are required for optimal results. It is vital to use the device on very sensitive areas or on the genitals, unless the device is specifically approved for those areas. Consult a doctor. Let me show you a typical IPL device for home use. Point 1 of the most used is the Braun system.
Let's examine the Braun Expert Pro device. The treatment's effectiveness lasts approximately 6 months, with possible follow-up sessions based on individual needs. The high-energy light pulse is absorbed by the hair follicle, inhibiting hair regrowth. It's important to evaluate hair color and skin tone so that the light energy targets the hair's melanin and not the skin. The primary importance of an IPL system lies in the right emission power. The Braun device is equipped with Skin Pro technology, which detects skin tone 80 times per second and automatically adjusts the power of each light pulse to the skin tone. It must also ensure good coverage. Braun Expert Pro emits pulses every 0.5 seconds for faster treatment in all areas of the body, including the most sensitive ones, thanks to the use of multiple adapters. The procedure involves shaving the areas to be treated, choosing the correct adapter and mode, starting with the most delicate mode. Repeat the treatment once a week for 4 weeks. Thanks for following along. See you in the next video. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated.